Alright, this is first test of the ass scooter. Take one. Ready?
Hey, what's up?
This is Zach, by the way. Let's go. Zach! Zach!
Ow.
You okay?
Oh, Jake. Oh, look at my skin that fell off.
Your skin fell off? Is there any on the road? Dude, I see a little piece. Look.
Oh my gosh, look at this big line of skin. Holy freaking crap.
Whoa.
Okay,
Let's try that again.
let's try it again. Don't stop the camera, please.
Keep rolling, keep rolling.
Second test of the ass scooter.
Fix the ass chair, Zach.
Come on, ass chair, don't fail me.
Produced by Jake.
Same thing.
This is for you lazy people that don't like walking.
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
More skin come off.
Oh! Dude, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hit you in the balls. Are you okay? Do you think you'll be able to have babies?
No. No babies for Zach.
Shut up, Zach.
Get up. Come on. Come on.
Get up.
You can walk. Come on.
Cut, cut.